Hey y'all, welcome to Sterling Credentials. This is Julianne, founder. And look, I've come from where you are, so let's just get on with the business. SterlingLogin.com will take you directly to our login page. And what I'm going to do is encourage you to then figure out how on your device you can add a shortcut to your home screen. This really essentially makes this function like an app because you click it and you're automatically there. Put in your username and your password, and of course, if you've forgotten, we can help you with that down below. All right, once you're logged in, the first thing I want you to do, always, is look at which cohort you are currently associated with. That's in the yellow ink there. If you're not associated with the right cohort for the job you're trying to do with your particular group of students, then you're not going to see the right students, the data aren't going to go to the right place, etc. If you are not pointing to the cohort with which you are currently standing, talk to your lead instructor, get them to go into the user tool and switch you to the other cohort that you need for today. The other thing that I want to say is this. Y'all don't burn any brain cells on this, okay? Spend your time developing clinical acumen and superior clinical care. Let me take care of this scut work. That little text box at the bottom, that support box at the top, these are the ways to get immediate help. And I'm going to encourage you, please do that, because the sooner you get with us, the sooner we can get back with you and get all the specific details that we probably don't even know we need to get through the problem faster. You are helping me immensely if you go ahead and reach out and let me take care of you. That is what I have chosen to do in support of this mission of getting good clinicians out there for